What's going on, everybody? Mr. Influenced here, back at it again with another video. Today's topic is going to be just something interesting I came up across, and that is the government shutdown. So I've been hearing a lot about it, but I haven't really looked at what the impact can be. And that's where I decided to, we were talking in the Telegram. If you haven't already, join our Telegram group. I'll leave a link in the description. For all the new people, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification button, because we'll be popping up every single day with a new video. And yeah, so right now I did some research and I checked what happened last government shutdown. So if you guys haven't heard already, we're on our second day of the government shutdown. So far, the leaders from both parties have been unable to get close to a deal to reopen the government. They basically have no funding to keep the government fully operating. They still have like the main things operating, but all like the other stuff, all the other people working with not such a mandatory, I guess you would say, job aren't working right now. Like starting Monday, they won't be going to work. It looks like the shutdown could stretch well into the week. So what we know about a shutdown is that the US dollar could lose value. People are not working. And also the stock market can take a bit of a dip, which Goldman Sachs says over here. The government shutdown will take a toll on the US economy, but the pain won't last long. Goldman Sachs says the government shutdown will result in a 0.2% reduction in first quarter GDP for every week it persists. So he's saying if this thing can take a week, let's say from Monday to Sunday, which will make it a week, we could see a possible throughout Monday to Friday a reduction of 0.2%. I don't know how much that would, how much like market cap, like stocks are, there's too much to stocks. I can't go to one place and just see everything I need to see. If I do, then comment below and show me where I could just like see the whole US market, like the market cap or something like that. But yeah, so he's saying there could be a possible dip. He's not saying it's going to be too big, but I decided to do some research, and I closed it. Let me go over here. CoinMarketCap. I checked out the last government shutdown, and it was from October 1st, 2013 to October 17th, 2013. So if we go back to those early dates, let's go over here. Start it from there. All right. Let me get a little closer in on here. All right, we got October. Am I passing it? Yeah, I did pass it. All right, October 1st, right here. The price of Bitcoin was $133. It took a dip. For the next 2 days or day and a half, it took a dip to 115, which isn't a lot, but it's a decent amount. Kind of like we're seeing now. So the government shutdown started, I believe, Friday night, going into Saturday. So we got 1-2 days. We're seeing a bit of dip both days. And then what happened after that? There was a rise back to its normal prices, about 129, 130. But towards the end of this government shutdown, I don't know if it had anything to do with it, but that's where we saw like this huge rise come into play. So what I'm thinking it could be, it like basically Bitcoin was like introduced to a lot of new people. A lot of new money might have got into the market. They started doubting the US government and the US dollar, and they could have been looking for something else they can invest in. And I don't know, that's just my opinion, but I'm thinking that's where a lot of this whole rise came into play. I'm guessing it like showed a lot of people that other than gold and silver and precious metals, there's another market out there that doesn't go with the government. Because if, like, let's say the stock market was to crash today, or I mean tomorrow when the market opens, I would think that a lot of money would come into crypto, because it's a market that doesn't really go with the US government. It doesn't have any impact on it. Other than the regulation stuff, it has bad impact on us, but if the government goes like down and doesn't have funding or just keeps inflating the US dollar, it's something that Bitcoin's something that a lot of investors could look into getting into. Just my thoughts on this, just what I think. I think we could have a possible nice little rise from this whole government shutdown, even though we took quite a bit of a dip. I honestly saw this coming this weekend though. Usually Sundays are buy days for me, meaning that the market's usually down a couple percent on Sundays. Sundays usually that's sell day for people. That's what I've been noticing for the past couple of months. And whenever I look into investing into something that's already listed, I look into it on Sundays because it's sale day. Everything's down quite a bit. Just watching that 11K support line on Bitcoin, making sure it doesn't break it. If it breaks it, then I might have to short a little bit. Just because, yeah, our next support after that is all the way down here. So, and that's what's the price on that? 11.8. Are we at 11.8? Yeah, we are. No, I don't know what's up with my trading view. Like, this whole thing just changed. We're at 11.4. I don't know what price that's showing me. It's like all messed up right now. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this government shutdown and if it could have an impact on crypto. I know there's still some FUD out there. It's like the media is just completely fudding the market. What I'm going to be doing is just hodling through the bad, buying some sale items during the dips, and yeah, I hope there's going to be a nice turnaround in the next few days, weeks, however long it takes. But hopefully by next month we'll see more of a bull market other than a FUD market. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Peace out.